Mastering time management techniques with calendar apps. Mastering time management techniques with calendar apps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who's juggling work, school, or just a busy lifestyle in general, today's video is for you. We're going to explore how you can use calendar apps to take control of your time and become a productivity powerhouse. So, let's dive right in. Why time management matters. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why time management is so important. With everything pulling for our attention, work, school, family, and even social media, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Effective time management not only helps you stay organized, but also reduces stress, improves focus, and increases productivity. And the best part? Using digital tools like calendar apps can make all of this a lot easier. Choosing the right calendar app. Now let's talk about choosing the right calendar app. There are so many options out there: Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, Microsoft Outlook, and even specialized ones like Todoist or Notion. But how do you pick the one that works for you? For most people, Google Calendar is a great starting point. It's free, user-friendly, and syncs across all your devices. But if you prefer a more visual approach, apps like Notion allow for customized views. It's all about what fits your workflow and preferences. Setting up your calendar for success. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your calendar. One of the first things you should do is color code your events. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. For example, use one color for work, another for personal tasks, and one for appointments or meetings. Color coding gives you a quick visual cue so you can immediately see where your time is being spent. Next, start blocking out time for essential tasks. This is known as time blocking, and it's a game changer. Instead of just writing a vague task like work on Project X, set specific blocks for work on Project X from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. This helps you stay focused and ensure that you're making progress on important tasks. Setting reminders and notifications. Another awesome feature of calendar apps is the ability to set reminders and notifications. This is perfect for preventing tasks from slipping through the cracks. You can choose how far in advance you want to be notified, whether that's 10 minutes before, an hour, or even a day. I personally love using alerts for important meetings, but I also use emails to remind myself of longer-term tasks. Syncing and integration. One of the best features of digital calendars is their ability to sync across devices. Whether you're on your phone, tablet, or computer, your calendar updates in real time. This ensures you're always in the loop, no matter where you are. And integration is a huge win. For example, you can connect your calendar with task management apps like Trello, Asana, or even Zoom for automatic meeting links. This streamlines your workflow and reduces the need for constant switching between apps. Advanced tips for mastering time management. All right, now let's level up your time management game with some advanced tips. Tip number 1, review your calendar daily. Take a few minutes each evening to assess your schedule for the next day. Make adjustments, add new tasks, and prepare mentally for what's ahead. This small habit can set you up for success every single day. Tip number 2, use recurring events for routine tasks. Whether it's exercising, meal prepping, or weekly meetings, recurring events will help you build consistency and remove the guesswork from your schedule. Conclusion. So there you have it. With the right calendar app and these time management techniques, you'll be well on your way to mastering your time and boosting your productivity. Whether you're managing work projects or personal goals, these tools can make your life a whole lot easier. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and share this with someone who could use a little help managing their time. Got any calendar tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay productive.